Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter 4, that is Democratic Republic of Congo, that is DRC, which is also called Land of Dense Forest. So here you should animals be kept in a zoo or in its natural habitat? Write your views here. You have to write your views in 4 lines, right? So let's start our chapter now. As you know that we will study about equatorial region. This region is situated along the equator on both sides. The region includes Amazon basin in South America, Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa, Malaysia and Indonesia in Asia. So Democratic Republic of Congo, if we talk about its location and land, where it is located, it is drained by the river of same name. Democratic Republic is Congo, which is located on the both side of the equator. कहाँ पे located है? Equator के दोनों side पे. And it is a equatorial region. That is why ये जो रीजन है ये हॉट है, वेट, यहाँ पे वेट टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट देखने को मिलेगा आपको. एंड द फर्स्ट सिटी विद दैट एग्जिट वाज मटाडी. ये बिगेस्ट पोर्ट है डीआरसी का and has railway terminal also, and it is also known as modern city. ठीक है, इसको हम modern city भी कहते हैं. Next, it is located on the bank of river Congo and there is a lush green forest. Here जो trees होते हैं ना वो भी बहुत tall होते हैं, right? We find bamboo and kale. The ground under the trees also have thick vegetation of various kind of shrubs and bushes. Large creepers which climb tall trees adds up to the thick and lush vegetation of the area. If we talk about a very particular thing about these forests is that trees, flowers, bird, bear fruits and even shed their leaves at the same time. They do not have particular season. ऐसा नहीं कि कोई एक पर्टिकुलर सीजन है कि वो फ्रूट्स बियर करेंगे, बर्डिंग करेंगे, शेडिंग करेंगे. द फॉरेस्ट रिमेन ग्रीन. जो फॉरेस्ट है वो ग्रीन रहता है ऑल ईयर अराउंड एंड हैंस द फॉरेस्ट आर राइटली कॉल्ड व्हाट? एवरग्रीन forest. The forest hold within themselves a large variety of wildlife. Here find animals like monkeys, rhinoceros, hippopotamus, boars, chimpanzee, elephant. If we talk about reptiles, like we have snakes, lizards, pythons, crocodiles, they roam about freely. And these forests, what they provide? Natural home to these wildlife. And what we call DRC, it is also called natural zoo of the world. Right? The plants here grow very few. बहुत कम grow करते हैं. Why? Because they get ample food of water and sunlight. The climatic condition जो है वो vary करती है. Morning is the part of that globe that is present और एक bright sunshine होती है and the air always remain moist and humid. The noon becomes hot and the humidity makes the air unbearable. वेदर कैसी हो जाती है? स्टिकी हो जाती है. आफ्टरनून में जो स्काई है ऑल ऑफ सडन बिकम हेजी एंड क्लाउडी. विद इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम जो स्काई है वो क्या बन ओवरकास्ट कर जाता है एंड इट स्टार्ट्स टू रेन हैविली. द रेन लास्ट फॉर एन आवर और टू. दिस मेक्स द इवनिंग प्लीजेंट एंड नाइट कूल. द टेम्परेचर ड्यूरिंग द डे और नाइट, अगर हम टेम्परेचर की बात करें डे और नाइट में वो वेरी करता है. फ्रॉम मटाडी as we go to another modern city, that is DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, Kinshasa, it is the capital. ये capital भी है and the people of the Democratic Republic Congo, they are trying very hard for what? To develop their resources. Like India become free after years of colonization, the people here have cleaned up the forest to raise crop. And what they have grown? Rice, cotton, coffee, rubber, bananas and ground. जो staple food है आपका वो क्या है? cassava. Staple food is the basic or main food, and cassava, it is a root of the plant which is pound to paste to make bread, and the people here also hunt animal for food. So we have Democratic Republic of Congo over here which has progressed to very large extent. New factories are now being set up here. Food products are exported in exchange of manufactured goods and machines. As we move towards the Democratic Republic of Congo, we reach Katanka. The place is very rich in mineral like diamond, copper, gold and manganese. For this reason, many people here are engaged in mining. किसमें engaged है? Mining में, and they earn large amounts of wealth by exporting these minerals. जो लोग हैं डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक ऑफ कॉन्गो के, वो टॉल है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, दे आर डार्क कॉम्प्लेक्शन एंड दे हैव शॉर्ट एंड कर्ली हेयर एज दे लीड अ मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल. Where do they live? They live in pakka houses and they're fond of music and dance. The means of transportation is being developing fast. Many cities have been connected by roads and rail. Some lakes and rivers are also used for navigation. And the airport, air transport has also developed in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Water is rich resource here, available of all round here. Many dams have been built and hydroelectric plants has been set up over here. Now let's see about Kishangi. Where does it lies? In the north. The people is a short height. यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं ना, उनकी जो हाइट है वो बहुत छोटी होती है, शॉर्ट होती है. राइट, दे आर स्किल्ड हंटर एंड दे कीप मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. हंटर होते हैं, ये स्किल्ड हंटर होते हैं और एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस मूव करते हैं. एंड दे क्लीन फॉरेस्ट टू बिल्ड देयर हट्स. द हट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ, हट्स किसकी बनी होती थी? ट्री ट्रंक, ब्रांचेस, लीव्स एंड ग्रास. दीज हट्स आर स्मॉल एंड राउंड शेप. और जो हर्ट्स होती है ये बहुत एफिशिएंटली क्या करते हैं? प्रोटेक्ट करती है लोगों को फ्रॉम हेवी रेन्स. And the people mainly live on hunted animals, egg, fish, and bananas. Look at the map and see equatorial region countries like South America and Asia, which is near the equator, and what it says more or less same climate as the Democratic Republic of Congo. Congo river क्या है? Largest river है आपकी world की, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.